Hi, it's William from Toolforce, and with it being International Men Make Dinner Day today, I thought it would be a good idea to come on board and just give you an idea for a meal this evening if you're left to cook. So, as any good meal, you start off with the ingredients. So I want to show you this is a 2-ingredient meal. So you start off with a tin of beans, brand is your choice, and again, bread. So this is very simple, it's called beans on toast. So if you like, you can use the different tools that you have to prepare it. So the first thing to do is to cut the bread, and be careful, just stand back in case there's any bits of bread flying. Cut 2 slices just to be sure that you have enough. And there you go, some perfectly cut bread. And next thing is to just pop it and toast it back here. So the next step is very important, it's safety first. We're always very safety conscious here. So pop on your gloves just to handle the beans because sometimes they can be dangerous. And if you get them like this, there's a little handy ring on it. So you just pop it in, open it up and reveal the beans. The best thing to do now is just pop them in a microwavable safe container. Get them all out and pop them in the microwave. Depending on how warm you want them, probably less than 5 minutes. So the next step is just to place it, arrange it nice and neatly on the plate. Presentation's key as always. Put it on the plate, grab your beans straight out of the microwave, and just again, this is all about taste, it's all about your preference. So just put the beans on, you can put them on nice and gently, or you can just go and pour them over and fold them down. Now, that's your main course prepared. The next thing we'll consider having a little look at is dessert. So for dessert, we'll just keep it simple. We'll go for a choice of coffee or hot chocolate. So get your milk, and we have it nice and heated prepared. We have a whisk and we have our drill. Lock it in now, just be careful to stand back. You may even need to put an apron on at this stage. And just let it go. And it becomes nice and foamy. Again, you can just put it in a normal cup, or you can grab one of these nice thermos flasks. They keep it nice and warm, and if you have two, you don't have to share. So as you can see, we have a nice foam head on that. We're going to go for hot chocolate here, so be generous with the hot chocolate because it's always nice. So probably in around just a heap spoonful, or depending on your taste. Mix it up, and there you go. You've got your beans on toast for your mains and your hot chocolate for dessert. What a combination! And if any of these are getting a bit difficult, like there is other suggestions. Kellogg's bran flakes into the bowl, just milk. It's quite simple. You can foam the milk if you wish. There's endless possibilities. And then, as we always suggest, whenever you're finished, so your food will all be gone, you'll have enjoyed it. We just suggest that you do a nice clean up afterwards, and then everyone's happy because the clean up's done, nice and quick. But the proof is always in the eating. So we're just going to enjoy our beans and toast. Perfect. Oh, yuck.